Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to G-Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. And yes, it's still December 20th. I know I did an earlier video, but that was for the drawing. And AMR44 did contact me, and I did send out the information, and he sent back the mailing address that I needed. So I got it all, the package is all ready to go. And tomorrow when the post office opens, I'll be down there in line, make sure I get that off to him. So anyway, congratulations AMR44 again. All my followers also sent lots of congrats and well wishes and that stuff. So I'm glad we had a good time doing that. I'll have some more giveaways going on this year, 2021. Hopefully it'll be a much better year than 2020 was. But then again, you know, it couldn't have been all that bad. I'm still here, you're all still here, and we're having fun together, right? All right, so here we are in the garden house. And today I dug up all of my strawberry plants. And I got that onion transplanted that used to be over there. And I spread a few of the bags of garden soil out and got them into place. Got everything transplanted and soaked and watered down really well. And I couldn't do this area because a while back I sprinkled some old packs of seeds that had gotten wet and didn't look like they were any good anymore. So I tore them open over the top of here. And now I've got sprouts coming up all over the place here. And here I have 2 rows of beets on the tape, those tapes that you bury. And there's one coming up right there. And I saw a couple others along here that are coming up. So I can't do this area yet. Also, I'm down to 1 bag of garden soil. And I'm going to have to go pick up 1 bag will come up to the little tag there, and then I'll have to do a couple of more bags here. So I'll get 3 bags to make sure I have plenty, because it never goes to waste. You can mix this stuff 50-50 with your native soil and still use it for potting soil and things like that. This is pretty hot when I put it in here, because it comes out of compost right into bags. And it's pretty hot, so don't really want to plant new seedlings in this. It's a little too hot for them. So I usually try to get this spread out before the springtime plant and give it time to cool down by watering it a couple of times a month or so. You know, sometimes I go twice a week and come in here and water it if it's been really warm and dry. Well, today was really beautiful. No wind out there all day long. Just barely a whisper of breeze that you can feel every now and then. 70 degrees was the high today. Oh, springtime fresh. I just love this type of weather. I'm a sun worshiper. I like the heat. You guys can keep the cold and the snow and that stuff. And yeah, we get it here every now and then. Like last year when Pierre from Heat Seeker Bus was down here on the day after Christmas, we got 6 inches of snow. So that was one of those days, you know, just you can't bet on anything here. But yeah, my peach blossom is still there, doing well. Looks like there's going to be another sprout or blossom coming out right here. And just strange. These trees all think it's springtime. Got new sprouts coming out of everything. But when the spring does come, everything here has been set in root. It's all been fertilized for the winter, and it's going to really come back in the springtime. This place is just going to flourish into a green oasis in the middle of the desert. Can't wait for all of that to happen. And today I did get some more planting done. I remember I was talking about the grow boxes, and here's one. There's a little black one, and yep, I got this one all set to plant in. So I haven't decided what I'm going to plant into it yet. And I was eating my salad in here a little while ago, walking through and munching this and munching that. And this is where I planted the sweet potato. There it is right there. And this has all been watered down really well. It feels like it could use one more soaking before I go in for the night. But yeah, the potatoes, there's another potato sprouting up right there. So it's cool. I'm going to have good stuff going. The pea plant is doubled in size, so it's going to really spring up here in no time at all. And I did throw a couple extra peas in here to back up this crop. So when this one is up and producing, these two should just be starting to pop out of the ground, so I can rotate that crop through the winter and into the spring and that stuff. My Bush Champ Cukes doing great. Love this stuff. Just a great afternoon. I love it. Radishes are going out of this world. So I'm going to pluck a couple of those and put them in my salad tonight, because tonight it's such a beautiful day. I am going to light the barbecue and barbecue some chicken. And I got a couple of drums for myself. And then I'll have some steamed broccoli on the side to go with that, and the rest of that sweet potato. That's my dinner for the evening. And it's going to be too late to actually do a cooking show on that. And it's going to be getting dark. And I want to apologize. Last night when I walked out and I was going to show you the chicken coop door closing, I had somehow completely forgot that it wasn't 4:45 when it closed. It's 5:45 when it closes. So I was out an hour early anyway. So it didn't matter that the chickens were still coming out. That's their time. It doesn't close until after they're all settled in. But I didn't find that out until later. So anyway, let me close up down. Oh, you know what? Let me close up everything down here while I'm down here. And yep, get my gloves, put those inside of the cabinet here. And that's it. So thanks for joining me on this episode. Don't forget to subscribe. For some reason, I guess some of the people that were in the seed contest, just for the seed contest, they had no reason other than the seeds to be in the contest, had subscribed, and there was like 8 of them that pulled their subscriptions right after the drawing. Go figure. You know, some people, you never could understand them. You know, anyway, they want everything for free, they want everything for nothing, and they don't want to give back. Like I do, when people send me stuff, and if I can't use it, I pay it forward. I send it to somebody who can use it. That's all there is for today, everybody. Thank you for joining me. This is G Bear saying, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to have a great holiday season. G Bear signing off.